turn me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me big.
Mega welcome back to my channel, Inday's Right TV. So, simple recipe lang po ang ipapakita ko sa inyo today. Ito po yung dinner namin, ginataang kalabasa with prawns at saka sitaw. Yeah, na-miss ko na tong recipe na to. It's been a while I never cooked this kind of soup, whatever it is. So, yan. Naluto na yan, templado na lahat. Pinalambot ko lang yung gata and it's done. Yes, so I just only put half pound of prawns kasi ako lang naman ang kakain at saka si Thea. But I hope Javi gonna eat some of it because he likes also squash. He likes pumpkin squash or pumpkin curry every time we go to Thai restaurant. So I think he gonna like this soup also tonight. So I hope and I wish that everybody's okay, safe and healthy. Be safe everyone. Alam nyo na, kami ay magla-lockdown ulit this weekend. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you. By the way, this is Inday's Right TV. Thank you for always supporting our channel.